to, yung sugat niya nung nakaraan pa.
Ay!
What happened? Yung sugat niya, nung 3 araw na yung sugat niya. Iniiyak na ngayon. What happened to you, my baby? Hello? Hello? Si OA talaga ito eh. Hello? Pinipilit na umiyak. What happened? Nakakatayo naman ah. Ha? Upulit yan. What happened? Ray Ray! Ray Ray!